so we can go to the beach. Here, we can go by the beach.
Hey, look. Look.
Hi guys, guess where we are?
Where are we? Huh?
You don't know where we are?
No.
Where?
Lake Mills, Sandy Beach.
We're at the beach, guys.
These guys.
You.
Who are you talking to? Is there someone in there? Like, I'm trying. Come here.
Come here, Yusuf.
Oh no.
Do you want juice? Ah, you're dirty.
Ah. Is that fish?
Yeah.
Is this the bait?
No, it's a real fish. I caught it.
Yusuf?
See what he does. It's a fish. It's a fish, Yusuf. It's a fish. Like Finding Nemo. Hi, I'm Mr. Fish. I'll put it back.
Disgusting!
She got the honey. She got the honey. Go to her. Go to her. She got the honey.
You're gonna piss him off. Whoa. They hurt it. He's trying to go in your pocket.
I got nothing in there, bro. This be trying to mug me.
You okay? How do you feel about the bee?
Have I been interviewed about the bee?
Yes,
I'm fine. He's my friend. His name is Alex.
Alex. But you're not. You don't look sweet.
Bro, I'm gonna kill you now. All right.
No. If you. Oh, he's by your balls. I'm walking away on it. You got him?
Who's that?
Are you guys find some money? Where are we going? Where are you going to take us? So that is it for our beach day, but it doesn't end here. Where are we going next?
Ice cream or food?
Ice cream. Yusuf is going to pay for ice cream.
He's got his wallet already. Back home?
Ice cream's closed, Yusuf.
So after this black car, you're gonna go stop sign. Go.
The ice cream is closed.
You hold this straight out.
Did you have fun, Yusuf? You went on the beach today? You played with the sand and we were throwing rocks?